Yo, what is up, guys? So still the same day as the previous video, but when I was actually washing the car, guess what came in? Yes sir, we have the new wheels and tires that are about to go on this car. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty, so I opened up the first box, and first thing we have is some ceramic coat refresh spray. So I wanted to make sure that I got my wheels ceramic coated because it's just easier to clean and it just makes things less of a hassle, really. Like I've put ceramic coating on this MV Agusta already, and it makes cleaning it way easier. So I wanted to have, the same type of stuff, like basically just make it easier on myself. Got a little Fitment Industries sticker here and a little like business card type deal. And the last thing is your special socket tool. I don't know if it'll focus, but special socket tool for all the nuts, and then of course all your little nuts here. But now let's move on to taking the rest of these out. And here they are. These actually look way freaking better than I thought they did. I was actually kind of going back and forth on if I was gonna actually get these. These are the black chromium 555s. And I mean, as you guys know, my car, as of right now, has kind of, well, they're supposed to be completely black, but it was a really bad paint job by whoever repainted these. But as you can see, like, these are they are a huge upgrade. And for those that want to know the specs, I think I have it somewhere over here. So the reason I went with that is because, like, that's what the car already had on it, and I like the way it performs as it is. Eventually, maybe I'll get some bigger tires after these actually like run out. I'll probably swap them out, but as of right now, like, I'm super fucking stoked for these to be put on, because I think it's just gonna transform the way that the car looks. And yes, I get it, the car itself is gray, so it's kind of like a silver on silver type deal, but I do not plan to keep this car silver. I actually have a wrap that I want to do, and I will let you guys know when it gets closer to that time what exactly wrap it will be. But it is not going to be just a normal like color. It's going to be something very nice. It's going to have a very nice finish on it. Maybe go satin, or maybe go metallic. I haven't made up my mind yet, but this car still has a lot of work to do. And like I said, I can't really take it out of commission right now because, it is my daily driver. So with that being said, yeah, this car is in for some major things, because after this we do have some upgrades that are coming. I just have to place the order for them. But back to these once again. So if you didn't see already, I did get these from Fitment Industries, and the reason I went with them is because they're all over YouTube and stuff, and I know people personally that have bought from them and they've had good experiences. So I decided to go ahead and just order something from them, because I'm still new when it comes to wheels, tires, and suspension. Like, I know stuff about bikes. I don't know a whole lot about cars. I know I'll probably say like intermediate stuff, but as far as wheels and tires, like, I haven't really gone down that rabbit hole, and I just wanted something that was gonna look nice and take my car to the next level. And everyone I know that's gotten their wheels and tires from Fitment Industries has said nothing but positive things. So that's why I went with them. Now, as far as cost, I think altogether with this, the TPS, the lugs, the special tool, and the ceramic coating, and of course the tires, I believe all together, I think it was just about 1,800. I want to say, yeah, just about 1,800 bucks for everything. So I mean, like I said, for 1,800 bucks, like I'm really, really happy with what I got. There will be, well, actually, I'm not sure if there will be an install video simply because of where I am. I had to take it to a place to get it done, like where I can actually do it myself, and I don't believe you're allowed to film there. So next time you see these wheels, they'll probably be already on the car. But I mean, putting, you know, new wheels and tires on a car, I mean, the tire's already on it, so putting new wheels on my car isn't like a huge thing. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys that because it actually came while I was washing the car, so it kind of worked out. So the next video will either be me showing off the new look of the car, or it'll probably be a video, another delivery video, which, you know, sadly I couldn't show you guys the whole process of like the guy, you know, on the truck and stuff, bringing them down and stuff, but you know, things happen. Like I just wasn't ready for it. Like I said, I was washing the car. But anyway, the next video we should be doing another delivery video of some sorts, or maybe I'll be doing a review on one of my vehicles, possibly the car since I drive it daily. And there is a car show that's actually, I believe, actually there is a Cars and Coffee that is going on tomorrow. I believe it's at 8 a.m. and there's actually some guys that I've been talking to out here, because I'm still new out here. I just moved out to California, so there are, you know, plenty of car shows and stuff out here. So I will be going to that Cars and Coffee tomorrow, and then there's also a bike event on Sunday that I haven't decided if I'm fully going to, but I believe I am because my buddy said he's bringing his RSV4 that he just bought, and I've seen it already, but it's always nice to see him and see his bike because it is absolutely gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous. So hopefully everything goes well, and tomorrow and Sunday I'll be able to shoot another video. We'll shoot 2 videos for you guys, and hopefully pretty soon we can get these new, beautiful, absolutely just gorgeous like wheels on my car. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what I can do better down in the comment section below. Also stay tuned for new content. I actually have some parts and stuff coming for the car, and also have some other videos coming up pretty soon. So yeah, like I said, just stay tuned. And with that being said, thank you for the support, and I'm out.